How to fix TikTok video upload stuck on 0%. If you're facing the problem where TikTok video upload is stuck on 0%, then the first thing you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store if you are on your iPhone device, then search for TikTok from here. Now, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. If that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is open up your settings. From here, you want to tap on the apps option, then scroll down and find TikTok. Now, you want to tap on notifications and make sure that you have toggled on the allow notifications option. Next thing you want to do is tap on permissions and here make sure everything is allowed. So if there's any option which is not allowed, make sure that you allow it. Once that is done, scroll down and tap on storage. Here, tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and delete all of the application's data. After this, tap on the force stop option over here. Once all of this is done, open up TikTok. Now, you want to check if your problem has been fixed. If it is not fixed, then you can simply uninstall the TikTok application. Once you uninstall the application, you can again reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.